Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and today we're going to be doing two kinds of petite filet sirloins, and one's going to be a filet mignon and some grilled vegetables and potatoes to go with it.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, so what we're going to start off with is I got a bunch of different vegetables. These potatoes, I peeled a little core around them so they look a little pretty. I put some stars on the mushrooms. We got the mushrooms, and I showed you these nice stars. I marinated everything in olive oil and a little salt and pepper. So you take the point of a paring knife and just push it in. And as I say, a star is born. So olive oil, a little black pepper, the asparagus, I peeled with a potato peeler, so you got this real nice fancy schmancy look. So let's put these on the grill, and then we're going to get to the steaks, which I'll show you in a second. Throwing dice. Okay, now I'll put the steaks on. Try to cook these steaks medium rare, that's how I like them. So, there we go with the sirloin filet out of the ball tip. These are your 90-cent steaks. And these are your $9 to $10 steaks from the filet mignon. We're going to be cooking these steaks about 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes on each side, maybe 3 tops. And we'll pull the vegetables off in about 2 minutes. I don't want them to get overcooked. Asparagus is ready, or spaghetti if you have spaghetti. We're going to let this go about 2 more minutes. I think we're going to be there. You know, if you want your steaks medium well, you know, you're going to have to go 4 or 5 minutes. And if you say you want your steaks well done, I recommend, honest to goodness, buying pot roast. But that's just my opinion. I want to say hi to all the people from my chef school that I went to, Washburn Culinary in Chicago, and to a food technologist, because I was a research chef for about 8-10 years. And to anybody out there that just enjoys cooking and having fun, I hope you're enjoying these. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notifications. And let me know what you want to see. If I don't pass off I'm wearing this mask, see, I'm really here. But we held off taping for a while because of this pandemic, but thank goodness Lord, and I figured out a way to do it outside for a while, and we'll go from there. Let's just see how juicy these are. Alright, thank you. I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer. Thank you for joining me in my house, in my yard. And let's get through this pandemic thing. Stay healthy, have fun cooking, and I love you.